Wait a minute, look at this logo, this one also. All these things I created it, and I'm going to show you how you can create it for free, for your choice, for your brand, for your business and company, as your logo in this video for free. Follow me. For you to create such those logo, be any type of logo you want to create, come to Chrome, then type Photopea, then you click on it. When you click on it, it will open for you like this. Then you click on template. Did you see? When you click on templates, I'm using phone. Yes, you make use of your phone. Yeah, you see tons of templates there which you can use, but for the purpose of those I've showed you, I'm going to use some similar thing like that, like 2 or 3 if possible, depends on the time, because I don't want this video to be long. Now you see this 3D, I make use of it. This one I use of it. If you want to use it, you can use it as well. Then I click it. When you click it, it will open for you like this. Then re-click it once again. You understand? Wait for it a little bit. It's going to be load. Do you see loading? It's just take to the end. Don't skip any part of this video for you not to miss some things. Then it will mess up everything for you if you do so. Then after it open now, did you see how it look like? Then let's put our own logo and work on it. Then look at this place, this layout, this 3 label, right? I'm talking of the one up here, that 3 icon up. Then you see this square, this red square that have eye in it. Then after it, you see that white square that have that black, that black something inside. Then you click on that. When you click on it, you click on it twice. When you click on it twice, it's going to open for you like this. Yeah, you go to open for you like this. Then you click on that 3 label, that you click previous. You see that one is down here and there's one up here. That's when you click it. After it's open for you like this, you come back to this place, this label, you click it once again. It's back. It will open like this. This is how it will look like. You know that it's different than the one I show you when I bring it in. Now this is how it's going to look like. Then what is the next thing? It's good to file. Do you see file? You see this file here? Then go there, click it. When you click it, you see open a place. You click on open a place. It will open your gallery for you. This is my own photo and videos. Then you click it. When you click it, in some cases, some people it might bring gallery direct or file. You understand? But I'm using Samsung Android phone. It's not necessary you use your iPhone if you can file. Then now let me start with this church logo. Do you see this church logo? These 2 logo at the top here, as at the bottom here. Then I click it. I click one out of it. When you click it, it will load also. Then it will bring it up. Now look here. When you bring it in, this how it look like. It will strike it out like this. Then if you want it to be bold a little bit, you can drag here down or drag here up, or just play around it, drag here. But if you drag this middle, it might not something obey you, it might be doing something else. But if you want to drag it, maybe you want to shift it up or shift it down. This one I say is if you want to widen it, enlarge it to up or enlarge it down, or enlarge it body entirely. But you want to move it, just click middle of it here, or here, or here, or here. Do you see all the reason why you must not skip any of my videos when you are coming across of it? Now I want to I want to widen it a little bit. Then did you see I press this down stuff, then I widen it a little bit. Now what is the next thing? Next thing is to go here, this place. Do you see the place we go previously? Yeah, this 3 label, and then I click it. When you click it, it will open for you like this. Then here, this place, this our logo has replaced, then it has become double here. Then here you see this eye of the previous logo, then you click it, it has blind, will blind it, you know, you've blind it. Then you click that 3 label again, I mean this 3 label, you click it again, this 3 label, yeah, you click it again. When you click it again, it will open for you like this. Now what is the next thing? The next thing is to go to file, click on file, then you see something here, we call it save smart object. This thing, save smart object, you click it once. When you click it once, just leave it. Most of the time you can click it second time. If it's not respond in time, just leave it, it will respond. It might take some time, you know, just leave it. When you leave it, you see it says save smart object. Now it has respond. When it's respond, for you to know that when it properly respond, you click on this 3 label that you are clicking before. Yes, it has respond. If after pressing save smart object and you click this thing, this thing is not respond, that means the thing is still on processing. But if it's open like this, that means it has finished processing. Then we are good to go. Now what is the next thing? The next thing is to click here. You see this first cancel, this 4x, just click it once. When you click it, just leave it, it will respond to you. But don't click the first one. No. Now it has respond. Then did you see how it is? Do you see how beautiful it is? You might not understand how beautiful it is now. Now what is the next thing? How can you save it? Go to file. When you click on file, you see export as what? As PNG, any one of it, but you make use of PNG. You click on PNG. When you click on PNG, it will open for you like this. Then you come down here, you see save. You click on save, that is final of it. Then it will give you sign that it. Now the reason why this thing come here now is because I've used that the same template mockup, you know, we call it mockup. Yeah, then I click it, download, you know, it will download. Can you see that it has downloaded or just finished download? Now that's how you can do that one. You repeat the same process for each of the templates you want to use to mock up your logo. Then I come back. Let me show you one more. This template, you click it once again. I will quickly show you the way I do. Okay, let me check. Let me look for another one to use for a logo as well. Okay, let me use this like inside the yeah, I'll click it again. Hope I've shown you how I did it. Then it will open for me. Now it has opened. Now after loading, don't forget how I show you the previous one after loading. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not. Follow us, like this video, leave your comments, save for the purpose of next time, and try to share to others. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.